New location, bigger things. But before we start the show, let's go inside. It's a little too hot out here. So as I was saying, thank you guys for joining me on a new venture, new building, new projects. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of what's going on. As you can see, this looks like an old 70s porn site, so it's gonna need a couple little 80s touches. I got visuals here. We're gonna actually put a doorway to go in and out. We're blocking this off to have more privacy. This is gonna be a full quarantine. Yes, that is the word of the century now. This is gonna be a full quarantine establishment on this side. AC, this is gonna be for ceramic coating, vehicle wraps, tints, and high detail. Full polished concrete floors. I started this project yesterday. There was 2 offices here. Knocked down these walls. We're gonna go ahead and knock down all these partitions, make a subdivision from this office to the actual waiting room. This is gonna be the actual entrance to the main office where we'll have the receptionist greet you and give you a quick tour of the shop. So some of the service that we offer in-house is actual window tinting. So to keep that hot air out and keep it cool. So back inside, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a quick tour to the second floor. There's gonna be all office space. We're gonna have conference room, which would be on the south side of the building. Excuse the mess, but as you can see, I'm just into the, not even remodeling stage, I'm unpacking. This is gonna be my office. I'm gonna have a private chef. I wanna get exotic this year. So all this baby fat that you see will be actually trimmed down. Try to bring sexy back. We have living quarters, full bath. Once again, you can see that it's extremely outdated, but don't worry. Secondary bathroom. Upstairs mezzanine. We're gonna actually have an outdoor seating area, pool table, open bar, video games. And then this is where I actually crack whips. So now that you've seen the upstairs, follow me so we'll go to the back. This is gonna be a full mechanic shop. And downstairs, we're blowing out half of this. We're gonna put the actual lift. So we're gonna have actual curtains. Alright, so this is basically the back of the building, which I'm gonna convert it into the main. So this will be the actual entrance to the shop itself. What we're gonna do is blow out an entrance right here to walk into the office. We're gonna have entry point and exit here. Food truck, so we can actually cater to events, private parties, gatherings, and more than anything, have food for our customers that are waiting. Give me a second because they're about to take a truck to the junkyard. Make the little area greener again. We want to go ahead and improve the neighborhood. So one of the actual upgrades that we're doing is we're doing the privacy hedges. I'm waiting for my guy. As a matter of fact, there he goes right here. Alright, so basically we got a tour of the whole warehouse. There's going to be a lot of upcoming projects. There's going to be a lot of transformations, a lot of surprises, a lot of things that I'm still looking forward to. But for now, I gotta actually put in work. So it was a pleasure having you guys, but you know, I gotta go home. You gotta get. I'm lying. You do gotta go home because we're fucking quarantined. All right, so stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.